I mean, why would anybody own a Dodge Challenger Scat Pack? Everyday practicality may not look like it makes sense, but after some time of driving the Challenger, I can totally get why. You definitely feel that old school American vibe with the 6-speed. I've driven automatics and they're pretty cool, but just something about the manual experience in a car that feels like a yacht on wheels. Today in this video, we're just gonna go over a couple things of why it's kind of practical to own one of these things. Apart from the sound, it's something that you could probably never get tired of, and you could live your life hearing the same V8 roar. I think it'll be something that just never gets old, no matter how many years go by. What is classic styling and classic American muscle will just never go away. It's so spacious. A Challenger is one of the most spacious vehicles out there in the market. It's quite literally the largest two-door that you can find. I think the Dodge Challenger is a perfect daily car for anybody. And something about the 6.4 liter motor versus a actual Hellcat just makes it so much more different. Obviously, most people would say they want the Hellcat, but you don't need that when you experience the Dodge Challenger Scat Pack in a shaker with a 6-speed manual. It just doesn't really ever ring a bell. So the Challenger is one of the greatest cars for its feature, styling, motor, and its overall personality on the road. Now, if you really like Challengers, you can pick this one up here at JT Auto Group. They're actually selling it for a pretty good price. Come by, check it out, and if you really like it, then we'll make it happen for you to take it home today.